Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. This time I'm afraid being filmed in my rather dark attic in bad light. Excuse me for this. If you do enjoy this video, despite the low technological quality of it, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do check out our website www.lexicallab.com. When my father died about 4 years ago, he left behind him hundreds of paintings, literally hundreds. My dad never made a living as an artist, but he painted throughout his life. And after he passed away, we basically put all of his paintings up in the attic in the house that he used to share with my stepmother. Recently, my stepmother has finally decided to move house, and so I've been lumbered with sorting out and trying to get rid of all of my dad's old paintings. And I have to say, it's a very emotionally draining and time-consuming process. If you say that you've been lumbered with something, or you get lumbered with something, it means that you are given jobs or responsibilities that basically you don't want. So perhaps your boss might give you a load of nasty jobs to do at work and then apologise by saying, listen, I'm really sorry to lumber you with all the dirty jobs. Maybe when you're a teenager, your parents might go out for the evening, lumbering you with your little baby brother, or leaving you lumbered with your little baby sister. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, and in the comment section below we'd love to see examples of things that you got lumbered with or you have been lumbered with. And please do tell your friends, your colleagues and your students about our 1 minute videos.